In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book expenses in Zoho Books. For those of you getting started with Zoho Books, managing expenses efficiently can be crucial for keeping your finances in check. Our goal is to help you navigate this with ease. Let's begin by diving into the Expenses module. You can find this by heading to Purchases, then clicking on Expenses. However, if you prefer quick access, just press Shift and X on your keyboard, and you'll open it right away. Once you're in the Expenses module, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new expense. This can be done by clicking on the plus New button located at the top right corner of the screen. There's also a nifty shortcut for this if you're into keyboard commands. You can use C and X to swiftly bring up the option to add a new expense. Now, let's fill in the details for your new expense. Start by entering the date when the expense occurred. It's important to get this right, as it helps in accurate tracking. Next, if there's an employee associated with this expense, make sure to assign them. Should you need to add a new employee to the system, simply go to Manage Employees and click plus Add New Employee. The next step involves choosing the right expense account. This is where you'll select the category of the chart of accounts that best fits this particular expense. If your expense needs to be distributed across multiple accounts, you have the option to itemize. By doing this, you can ensure that each part of the expense is debited to different accounts, a useful feature for more complex expense scenarios. When it comes to the monetary aspect, enter the total amount of the expense. Don't forget to apply any applicable taxes. For the payment side, select Paid Through and choose the appropriate payment account. This could be anything from a bank account to petty cash, and this selection ensures the amount is credited correctly. If this expense is linked to a vendor, there's a field for that too, allowing you to maintain a clean vendor log. You even have the option to add a customer name if needed. If you're marking the expense as billable and associating it with a project, Zoho Books can include it as a line item in future invoices. To keep your records pristine, don't forget to attach the receipt. You can upload it from your device, use cloud storage, or select from your Zoho documents. For further organization and better reporting, tag the expense accordingly using projects and reporting tags. This adds a valuable layer of categorization for future reference. Once all this is done, you can either click Save or use the shortcut, Alt or Option and S. If you have more expenses to add, the Save and New option will be handy as it allows you to quickly enter another expense. That's how you book an expense in Zoho Books. Following these steps will help keep your accounts both accurate and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!